Say your name and then go for it.
Ivy League. This is my car. This is my third real Miatas at the Gap here. I've been going for, this is now supposed to be 4th year, but it's obviously the 3rd because of COVID last year. I got the Miata now about the same time. It's been about 3 years. And it's fucking fun. It's worth coming, a 10-hour drive for, even though this has no AC. But the mountain roads and everything up here is worth it. And once I get boosted, this will be the perfect season for that.
On the straight, tell her to do a pass on the straight.